Once upon a time, there was a little boy who went to visit his grandfather during the summer holidays. He loved playing with his grandfather every day. One day, the boy said to his grandfather,
"Grandpa, when I grow up, I want to be a successful man."
Grandfather smiled and nodded.
Yes, my dear, I will tell you something important.
Grandpa took the boy to a nearby nursery and bought 2 small plants. He planted one inside the house and the other in the garden. Grandfather asked,
Which plant will grow better?
The boy thought for a moment and said,
The one inside the house will grow better.
Grandfather smiled and said,
Let's see what happens in the future.
4 years later, the boy returned to visit his grandfather again. When he saw his grandfather, the boy ran up to him, excited. The boy said,
Grandpa, last time you didn't tell me how to be successful. Tell me now.
Grandfather smiled and said,
Let's take a look at the plants first.
They went to see the plant inside the house. It was small and weak. Then they went to the garden and saw the big, strong tree. Grandfather asked,
Which plant grew better?
The boy said,
The one outside, Grandpa.
Grandfather smiled and said,
Yes, the plant outside had to face many challenges, but that's how it became strong.
The boy stared at the big tree, thinking deeply. Grandfather gave the final advice.
Face challenges and you will grow strong.
The boy smiled, feeling inspired, and the scene faded out with the big tree in the background.